Running a successful cleaning business isn't just about spotless rooms, it's about keeping your operations as clean and organized. Today, I'm showing you how Connecteam can help manage your cleaning business with ease. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel, where I promise practical tools to build your brand. Connecteam, today's sponsor, is an all-in-one platform designed to help cleaning businesses simplify operations, boost productivity, and ensure top-notch service. It is free for teams up to 10 and competitively priced for teams bigger than that. So let's dive in together. First, let's talk about scheduling. Cleaning businesses juggle multiple locations, shifts, and clients daily. With Connecteam, you can create, update, and share cleaning schedules directly with your team's mobile devices. From the admin dashboard on the job scheduler, you can assign shifts using an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. See this? Add all the essential details like client preferences, access codes, special instructions, ensuring that your cleaners have everything they need to complete their tasks efficiently. I especially love tools designed to save you, the manager, time, like copy from previous week, auto-assign week, or load from a template, which leverages the work that you've done already on previous schedules so that you're not starting from scratch. And here's how it looks from the mobile app. Employees can view their upcoming shifts at a glance, complete with all the necessary details like start times, locations, and specific client notes. If a team member needs to request a shift change, they can do so directly in the app, streamlining the process and saving you time. The app also syncs schedules with personal calendars so employees never miss an update. With Connecteam, scheduling for cleaning businesses becomes simple, seamless, and effective, keeping your team aligned and your clients satisfied. Time tracking is another challenge for cleaning businesses, especially when managing teams across multiple locations. Connecteam's time clock and GPS tracking let your team clock in and out from the job sites. I'm going to show you. Connecteam's time tracking feature is designed to make managing employee hours effortless and accurate. With geofences in place, which I'll talk more about in a second, employees can only clock in and out when they're physically on site, eliminating the risk of time theft and ensuring payroll accuracy. As soon as an employee clocks in, their location is verified using GPS, giving the full confidence that work hours are logged correctly. This feature is especially valuable for businesses with multiple sites or remote cleaning teams where accountability is key. From their mobile device, as you can see, employees clock in and out with just a tap. As well, they can take breaks or add notes about their shifts, helping to provide a clear picture of the day's work. On the admin side, every hour worked is automatically recorded and displayed in real time. Managers can review, approve, and even edit timesheets before they're sent for payroll, reducing errors and saving valuable time. Let me show you the settings and integrations for payroll. So for settings, you can select how location tracking is used for clocking in and out. Breadcrumbs, which I demoed, tracks users' live location and route only while they're on the clock and without draining the employee's battery. Or you can also track location at clock in and out only, or turn it off completely if this is not information that you need for your business. And geofences are easy to set up below. You just add this site by entering the name, the address, and available jobs. Once all of this is set, you are good to go. I'll exit out of this. And when it comes to payroll, Connecteam seamlessly integrates with leading software like Xero, MYOB, QuickBooks, Gusto, and others. Every hour worked is automatically logged and sent directly to your payroll system, saving time, reducing errors. These integrations make payroll processing faster and more efficient, letting you focus on running your business. Delivering a consistent, high-quality service is essential in the cleaning business. With Connecteam's forms and checklists, you can create custom cleaning checklists tailored to specific client requirements. Your team can use these mobile checklists to mark tasks as completed in real time, ensuring no detail is overlooked. Start from a template, customize from there to save time. I recommend that. For added quality assurance, employees can capture a signature, as you can see here, or even snap photos directly within this checklist, capturing their work and time, location stamps. All of this is easy to edit in the form editor. If something unexpected arises, then employees can leave notes directly in the checklist, ensuring important details are communicated without delay. And when the job is done, you can export detailed reports that include completed tasks, photos, timestamps, location data. These reports can be directly shared with clients offering them clear evidence of the work completed and reinforcing your commitment to quality. And as an admin, you have access to all of this data on the back end. Communication is critical in a fast-paced business like cleaning. Connecteam keeps everyone connected with instant updates, group chats, and one-way announcements. Whether it's a new protocol, safety reminder, client update, your team will always be in the loop. Okay, from the admin dashboard, you can post company-wide announcements directly to the news feed. So you can add important details like updates, reminders, changes. You can see templates here. You can include images, videos, files to provide all the context that your team needs. And on the mobile app, employees can instantly view newsfeed updates and respond in real time, keeping them connected no matter where they are. Employees can react or comment on posts to stay actively involved, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Connecteam's chat feature takes team collaboration to the next level. Create group chats for specific teams or projects or threads, even job sites in this case, allowing instant communication and file sharing. Employees can also use private messages for quick one-to-one conversations. No need for separate apps like WhatsApp. Whether it's sharing a safety reminder or celebrating team achievements, Connecteam's chat and newsfeed keep your team informed and engaged all in one place. The last feature that I want to show you quickly for onboarding or training, Connecteam is the perfect solution. Upload tutorials, step-by-step procedures, and interactive quizzes to ensure your cleaning team is equipped with all the knowledge they need. Cover essential topics, even a welcome kit, proper handling and storage of cleaning chemicals to meet safety regulations. These are just some examples. I just love that with Connecteam, you can provide on-demand access to training materials directly on their mobile phones, ensuring that your team can review critical procedures anytime, anywhere. This not only enhances their skills, but also helps maintain consistent, high-quality service for every single client. Here's what cleaning businesses are seeing with Connecteam: a 47% increase in completed jobs per day, a 77% decrease in employee overtime, and 4 times higher customer satisfaction. That is impressive. Just like NAE Cleaning Solutions, which is in this case study that I'm going to link to in the description below, Connecteam was used to consolidate their operations into one single app. They saved time on payroll, reduced operational costs, and improved service quality. With Connecteam, you can absolutely do the same. Again, linking to this amazing case study so that you can learn about it, how it helped them, and how it's going to help you as well. From scheduling and time tracking to task management and training, Connecteam is the all-in-one platform designed to help your cleaning business thrive. Try Connecteam today with a 14-day free trial, no credit card required, and the best part, it is free for teams up to 10 employees. Use the link in the description to get started. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more business tools and strategies. Thank you, Connecteam, for sponsoring this video. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the next few videos, which I think you're going to like.